Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm M.O.T in the Range Rover. As you can see, the car's been really good, but it does have a few issues that you need to have a look at. Right, I'm just going to go under the car and show you. Right, we're under the car. If you get the spray on copper grease, and that's what I've been doing, just to protect those brake pipes. There's one up there. It's very hard to see. Oh, you can see that. Where is it? Probably need a light on it. But anyway, what I really want you to have a look at, guys. Where is it? The earth strap. Now you see that earth strap there? Now I put a little bit of grease on it last time I did the gearbox oil change. I noticed how badly corroded it is. Can you see? So I bought a new earth strap and we're going to bang that on. Now you know I did the gearbox oil change and the transfer gearbox oil change. What I did in the end, I flushed it 3 times. But the next job I'm going to be doing is that earth leak. Can you see the green on it? Just got a new earth strap and boom, job done. Anyway, car's passed its M.O.T. No advisories, which I like. So this is A66 in southbound. I've been coming here years, fantastic place, great bunch of lads. Right, here we go again, Range Rover bullshit. My front left light is flickering as well. I think it may be